Hey, what's up, everyone? So we're out here on the river. We're on a boat. Compliments of Rock Paper Simple. Go check them out. We'll include a link to their website in the description box. But anyway, what we're gonna do out here is test several headsets in this environment. So it's fairly windy out here, especially once we get out there. But stay tuned for headset tests from the boat in this beautiful, gorgeous Florida weather. It is absolutely gorgeous here. All right, so as I said, we're sitting out here on this beautiful river. I think it's the Indian River Lagoon here in Florida, Space Coast of Florida, and I'm testing the EPOS Impact 1000. It's very windy. There's music in the background, and of course you got the hum of the engine going. And so this is what it would sound like if you're using the EPOS Impact 1000 in this environment. All right, stay tuned for the next headset. All right, so now we have the brand new Logitech Zone Wireless 2 in the same environment. So out here on the river, so this is what it would sound like if you're using the Logitech Zone Wireless 2 in this environment. Now we have the Yealink BH76 Plus. It's a brand new headset. It's got the bigger ear cups. It does have active noise canceling, and it also has interchangeable speakers or ear cups so that you can go from over the ear. And so this is what it would sound like if you're using the Yealink BH76 Plus in this environment. And it is absolutely gorgeous out here today. All right, so now we have the Poly Voyager Surround 80 UC. This does not have a boom microphone, so I don't know how well it's going to perform in this environment. But it's completely covered in ear. This is what it would sound like if you're using the Poly Voyager Surround 80 in this environment. All right, so now we have the Shokz OpenCom 2 UC. This is a bone conduction headset, so I can clearly hear everything around me. So this is what it would sound like if you're using the Shokz OpenCom 2 UC in this environment. All right, so now we have the Jabra Evolve 265 Flex. And so this is what it would sound like if you're using this headset out on the river. There's wind, there's water. I don't know, is it rusting? What does water do? I don't know what sound water makes. And then we have the engine going. But anyway, this is what it would sound like if you're using the Jabra Evolve 265 Flex in this environment. This is the JPL BT500D. It's a Bluetooth headset. It's a very simple headset. It comes with the dongle so that you can use your PC or your mobile device. And so this is what it would sound like if you're using the JPL BT500D in this environment. Now we have the Jabra Evolve 2 Buds. I'm not a fan of using earbuds in any noisy environment. I've never had but this is what it would sound like if you're using the Jabra Evolve 2 Buds out in this environment. All right, let's go on to the next earbud. Now we have the Poly Voyager 360 earbuds out in this environment. This is what it would sound like if you're using the Poly Voyager 360. Now we have the Logitech Zone Wireless earbuds. And so this is what it would sound like if you're using the Logitech Zone True Wireless earbuds in this environment. What did you think of that? Let us know in the comments. Yes, it's probably not ideal that everyone's going to be out on a boat, but it can happen. But what we're showing you here is the environment. If you like this type of video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know which one you thought performed the best, or which ones performed the best, and which one you would use. And we'll check you out next video. Thanks.